Okay. I swear.
14.
Well, you just died.
What the fuck, man?
Hey, I survived longer than you and killed more people.
Well, I was. Oh my.
Hey, they're doing a freaking arms race. Well, it kind of is.
Oh my.
The LMG kills. I'm taking cover as long as someone doesn't backstab me.
Oh, I can't get there.
Pause, choose class, custom
Oh my.
one.
I can't even.
I can get the Hailstorm.
Oh my god.